I was really excited to get this product at my house and start using it. But as you can see on my video, there is no way to use this. Or mine is broken, or people lie on the reviews. Because this thing here falls all the time. Same thing with the froster. You put it here and it falls. How can you use something that falls all the time? So I don't know if mine is broken or people are telling that works at their house, but on mine doesn't work. But this is the attachment. And this should be the piece to attach here. But it just don't stay. If you press, if you push, returning it, it doesn't work.
This is my video of the Keylitos Immersion blender. The cord comes wrapped up with Velcro, which I usually make my own of these, so I love that it came this way. I'm going to start with scrambling some eggs. There are 2 eggs. And I don't know if you can... Oops. You easily can attach the attachments just by turning and clicking. You stick it in and you just scramble. Done. And you unhook it. And put that in the sink. It also comes with an attachment for chopping. I'm going to make a Thai sauce that I really like, sort of Thai influenced. It's got garlic, and hot pepper, and fresh ginger, then I'm also going to put in some fresh lemon juice. And some Bragg's soy sauce type stuff. Then I put the cover on. I click this in, just like I did with the blender attachment. And it's got little suction cups too, so this doesn't actually slide out of the way. And it's basically like a little mini Cuisinart type unit. And there you have it. And lastly, well, something I'm not going to demonstrate, but it also comes with a little frother, which you would stick this into the same attachment as that, the whisk. Now I pre-made some pea soup. It's over here. There it is cooking. Whoops. I had it on warm, but Now for this, I'm going to use this attachment, which has a blade in it. You clip it on the same way as everything else. And as you can see, there's lots of chunks in the soup. When you stick it in, the chunks go away. And it happens really pretty quickly. This is instead of blending it in a blender. This is split peas, carrots, celery, and onion, and garlic. Two settings, a low setting and a turbo setting. Pretty well blended now. And now I can just let it sit in the crock pot a little bit longer and eat it later. Thank you for watching.